Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to design a pop-up like this in Bootstrap. Okay, let's start. I'm in Visual Studio Code. Now I'm going to create one new HTML project. Okay, first you need to open folder and you need to create one file. I already created a file. Its name is HTML with Bootstrap. Okay, I selecting that file. Yeah, it will open. Now I'm going to create a file. If you click this icon or right click and create a new file, and its name is index.html. okay, after this here you need to type html. Now I'm going to create this project in html5, so I'm going to use this. Okay, after this is pop-up. Okay, after okay, now I'm going to copy this code and paste it inside the body tag. Okay, it's in div. Okay, after that first I save this file. I'm going to open that file. Okay, sim YouTube demo and also HTML with it. Okay, double click this and it will open here. I didn't add any CSS for this Bootstrap, that's why it will create all the file all the buttons in outside. Okay, okay, I'm going to add this CSS. Okay, if you click the getting started, it will navigate to this page. Here you need to add this stylings. Okay, these links. Okay, in the header. This is for CSS. First I save this and reload this. Yeah, I got a launch demo model. Okay, if I click this button, it will not open the pop-up because I am not added any JS link. Okay, and this is the JS link. Okay, first I copying this and add in my header. I added here after the link. Okay, first I save this and reload the browser. If I click the launch demo button, launch demo model, okay, I got a pop-up. Okay, it's nice. If you want to change anything in the design, you need to add a CSS. Okay, after this, or you can create a style inside this. Inside the style, I'm going to remove the this borders. Okay, first right click and inspect this. Yeah, this div. Okay, the border in the model footer. Okay, here they used border top. If I click the if I uncheck this, the border is hidden. If I check, it will add the border. So I'm going to copy in this, copy the class and add the style. Okay, inside the style, and also the here the border top is 0px, and save this and reload the browser. If I click launch demo, if it is changed or not, let's see. Yeah, the border is hidden. Same way I'm going to hide this border also, or you can leave it as it is. Okay, in my case I'm going to remove this border also, so I'm going to select this div. Okay, yeah, it's selected. Here the border bottom, it's here. Yeah, I'm going to copy this border also, sorry, CSS also, and add the style after this class. Okay, here the border bottom is 0px, and save this and reload the browser. Yeah, I think it will change. Yeah, it's changed. Now I'm going to add some content here. inside this. I think it's a simple h1 tag. Inside the h1 tag I'm going to add a hello. This is pop-up. Say this and reload the browser. Yeah, if I click this, yeah, so everything is changed. You can use a pop-up like this. This is a easy way to add a component or a content designs like this using Bootstrap. Thank you. I will see you in next video. Bye bye.